Home Alone.
Woo!
Where Sophia gets
Stuck
in a different flight as me and Kata.
So let's get started. Woo!
So me and Kata came to Santorini, which was the original plan.
So yeah.
Kata, where are you? Oh, there you go.
Wait, close your eyes. Go back downstairs. Wait, close. Can I go outside? I want to say something.
Just show me, honey.
This is my room.
We don't have time for this right now. We need to go look for your sister. Your sister is nowhere to be found.
But Mom, we already called the police like 44 times. Now you can have this one. You can have that one.
Your sister has her phone. Let's try calling her.
Hold on, let me call her. Ring, ring, ding, ring, ding.
Hello?
Hi, Sophia. Do you know where you are?
Give me your phone.
Ugh. Mom.
Okay.
Where are you?
Want to say something?
What?
I can't open the curtain. But look, Mom. This is my view, and I can see the Eiffel Tower. Where are you?
The Eiffel Tower?
Are you in the...
You're in Paris?
Oh,
You
no.
are it?
No.
No.
Wait, I thought you were on the same place.
You got in the wrong flight, honey. I told you to keep up.
No, wait, what? Mom, what do you mean? I thought you were...
We came to Santorini.
What?
Stay put. Don't move. Just stay there and we'll fly to you.
Wait, but...
Nothing. What? Is the dog with you? Oh my gosh, okay. Just stay with Tucker. Don't let him out of your sight. And we'll fly to you. We'll get the earliest flight we can.
Okay,
Keep your phone on you at all times.
okay, Mom.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Kata,
Yeah.
get your luggages.
Sugar! Wait, Mom. Mom is almost going to be here if you're going to...
Where are you, Kata?
And my chair inside.
Where?
My chair at the very entrance.
Oh. Ugh, we have to go get your sister. And we literally just got here.
I wish I was Russo. It's really hard.
Whoa, Tucker.
So let me go get the phone. Let me
Look
go.
at this little fancy store. Good thing I have Mom's credit card in my backpack.
Ran into a pole.
Told you. That's what you get for not for always look.
Stop fighting. You literally just got together and you're already fighting.
Wait, what level?
It's a 202. Tucker.
Ah.
I make
Hey. So this is where you were staying?
Yes.
How let me?
So this is my bed. You can like sleep. Like boxes.
Girl, you bought it with my card. You're crazy.
I'm sleeping here. Ow!
Tucker, get off of her.
Ow! Get on me! I can't get up.
Tucker.
You stink. Ew! You nasty.
He missed you.
I miss you too, Tucker.
Haha! So special, yeah.
Today was a crazy day. We went to Santorini and to Paris in one day. That is crazy.
Mom,
I'm surprised they have flights for everybody.
Mom,
Mm.
what is Tucker doing?
He's licking you. Licking your face.
Ew! I'm still not getting up. Ew! You nasty.
Tucker.
Oh, Mom, we did yoga while you were gone in some place. Want to see our practice?
Yoga.
Yeah. They also had
I literally told you stay put in the hotel and you went to the restaurant to go shopping for clothes and yoga.
Hey, be grateful I at least buy you something.
Guess what hat? Wait, you have. Oh my gosh, I might have to steal this stuff. This clothes.
Oh, yeah, you like it?
I'm gonna steal this clothes, don't mind.
But, Mom,
Hmm.
so ready? Look at our yoga together. We did it together because it's puppy yoga. So that's this yoga seated twist. This is the yoga tree. Tucker can do it with one leg. You see that?
Wow. Come look at
Tucker?
and Sophia.
Wait, hold on.
And then this is a yoga warrior 2.
Really?
Yoga warrior 1. And then this neck.
Wow. You all were entertained.
Well, how are you gonna go home?
We have to take another flight.
A long flight?
I'm okay.
Oh no, I'm gonna drag you.
Should we go get dinner or something?
Sure. Let me just change out.
Hey, Sophie, come here.
By the way,
Come up. By the way, what?
don't order caviar unless you want to spend $700.
Girl?
I found out the hard way.
Mm. Who is that?
I don't know.
Who is this stranger?
I don't know.
Ew, he's ugly. Can you leave, creepy man?
He just left.
Yeah, he listened to me the first time.
Shall we go?
I'm not sure I want to keep a guy in our house again.
Mm. Come on, let's go to dinner.
Okay.
Hey, where's the hooker, by the way?
Oh, shush. What?
Close the door.
I didn't close it.
I don't know.
This town is pretty. The city.
Hey, wait for me, guys.
Paris is beautiful.
Hey, we just see. Hi, weird man.
Get off the counters, remember?
Ah. It's okay, I got you some food. Where are we sitting?
Let's go sit in,
Boosters?
yeah.
Okay.
That's a booth.
I mean a booth. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, okay. This is scum that is yum yum wop wop puff. I'm gonna get one. I want some of those. Hi sir, can I just have that? Oh, so go to the back. Yeah, I'm going to the back. Mommy, look! They don't have any. Mommy, look. They have strawberry drinks.
They
Look,
don't?
I'm in the back though. Oh no, wait, never mind. They
Get
don't.
down from there.
Not me. I wasn't even done. So let me go grab one last.
Oh, yes, Tucker's digging in.
This is scum the scumdium. Oh,
We liked it.
Tucker, I want to copy you.
It's all so tasty.
Ma,
Mm.
look.
Get down from the table, Kata. Sit down right. We're at dinner. Tucker! Get your own soup. Gross.
He said no. Mom, do you want to see something? Cartwheel on the table.
Tucker, down. Oh, well, I'm done. I'm so full.
I want more. Num 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 num.
Get down from the table.
Mom, where's Tucker?
Tucker's leaving. Kata, inside.
Okay.
Inside, Kata.
Hi, Mom.
Kata.
Okay. Doing button. I'm here. That drink was scumless some what Papa.
Get off my hip.
Mom, I'm done.
Okay, should we go take a walk?
Yeah.
My bad.
Let's go take a walk. Come on.
Okay, well, I'm taking the glass drink. I took the glass.
It's fine.
No, I took the kids' cup.
Where should we go?
Maybe not
Eiffel
to the...
Tower. Look over here. Wow, you can see it from here.
Where?
Right here. Come.
Tucker! Oh my gosh, Tucker's falling from my arms. Mom, catch him!
Catch him.
Mom, look at Tucker! Mom, look at Tucker!
I know. I'm looking at him. What is he doing?
He's slipping!
Drop him down.
That wasn't hard.
What?
Look at him! Why does he do that much?
What is he doing?
Oh, I know what he's doing.
Scratchy
One
kid's
time
belly.
He snuck into my backpack when I was doing gymnastics practice.
Mm-hmm.
He was stretching, and he learned how to do a handstand going backwards.
Walking handstand.
Yeah. Extreme concentration there.
I could tell.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
That's why he bites you. Tucker, quit it.
Come on, Tucker, let's see the Eiffel Tower.
Type.
So, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.
Bye. What is going on, boy? Leave your sister alone. Quit it, Tucker. Tucker.
Ow! Oh, Mom, look, there's a bud.
Where?
Right there. A bud right there.
Tucker, don't you dare. He's chasing the bird, Kata. Leave it.
It's okay, little bud. Let me pick you up.
You're so mean.
Let me pick you up, little bud.
Is the bird okay?
Yeah, he just got bit my...
Check his wing.
His wings are okay. Let's take him back home.
With Tucker?
No, just leave him.
Oh, the bird fainted.
Ah! Sophia, hold on.
Tucker, don't.
Don't. That's what you get for eating the bird.
Let me see the video. Let's see if it shows where he gets blinked. Look at what you did to the poor bird.
What are you
What,
doing?
you're trying to relive it now?
That's not helping. That's why I told you it's not.
Now what? What are we gonna do?
He's laughing. Oh my god, we need to take this dear bird. Oh, he's doing CPR. Oh my gosh, that's like dog version.
Tucker!
Tucker.
Hitting it more. It's alive! Tucker, good boy, Tucker.
Mwah.
After you tried eating it?
Poor bird.
Tucker.
Woof.
Nice. Really, Tucker?
CPR again.
Oh my god, you guys are...
Run, buddy, run!
Run, birdie! Oh, this bird is so... I think
Annoying.
this bird is like an actor or something.
I think this bird is a
Or
dummy.
playing dead or something, I don't know. And he's up.
Boy! Woof.
Oh, now you're scared of the bird. Stop messing with the bird, Tucker. Hi, birdie. You're so cute, birdie. Quit it.
Quit it. Stop trying to oof him. He's dancing. I want to copy him dance.
Oh no. Tucker.
A staring contest?
Literally.
Ay, yo sí. Juntos.
Let's just get a coffee cup or something.
Yeah, let's go get a coffee.
Over here. Oh wait. No.
This way.
Wait here.
Mm. They're just gonna fight.
Where was it at?
Oh,
We're over here.
it's over here. It's over here. It's over here. Look, follow me.
Oh.
Oh, such a butt. It's this way, I think. It's this way, Ma. Ma, look behind you.
The bird is following us.
Oh no.